Beneath the calm shimmer of the ocean's surface lies a realm so alien, so oppressive, that even the most seasoned explorers hesitate to descend. The crushing darkness consumes everything beyond a few hundred feet. Down there, light doesn't just fade, it dies. Billions of tons of water weigh upon the ocean floor, exerting pressures that can shatter metal and bone alike. Every inch deeper brings a step closer to an environment so hostile, survival seems almost mythical. Yet it is here that Earth hides its most terrifying mysteries. At depths so extreme, temperatures plummet near freezing, and sunlight has never dared to penetrate. The world below teems not with peace but with blind, monstrous organisms designed by darkness itself. Scientists whisper it's less a sea and more an alien world beneath our feet. Every expedition into the trench carries the risk of vanishing forever, swallowed by silence. The deeper submersibles dive, the more their sensors falter, as if something below bends and breaks human technology. It seems the abyss resists intrusion. In the Mariana Trench, the deepest place known on Earth, researchers recorded low-frequency hums reverberating through the crust. They weren't seismic in nature nor biological. It was as though something massive stirred, just beyond their comprehension. Footage they captured showed odd flashes of bioluminescent patterns shaping and reshaping like coded signals. Scientists avoided conclusions, yet admitted privately that nothing natural repeated those shapes. Fear replaced curiosity. There are vents that bleed boiling acid, hydrothermal fields surrounded by life that should not exist. Worms without eyes, shrimp glowing red-hot from within, bacteria consuming sulfur instead of oxygen, nature's impossible chemistry thriving in hell's own kitchen. Seismologists have detected rhythmic pulses emanating from the ocean floor in intervals far too precise for chance. Some believe it's geological. Others suspect something far older, orchestrating unseen motion in the dark. When deep-sea probes returned from abyssal plains, their metallic hulls bore strange circular etchings, as if carved by pressure or claws. Engineers swore it looked deliberate, no corrosion behaves that way under controlled conditions. While mapping uncharted canyons, sonar occasionally returns perfect geometric voids, immense, hollow chambers miles long. Scientists can't explain stable geometry at such depths. Something carved tunnels where there should be solid rock. Certain thermal imaging scans reveal moving heat signatures wandering across the seabed, stretching for hundreds of meters then vanishing instantly. These traces defy any known creature's biology, temperature range, or locomotive pattern. When cameras catch glimpses of these enormous silhouettes, the feeds often glitch, colors invert, motion distorts, audio fractures. It isn't technical failure alone, but a recurring interference pattern almost intelligent in behavior. Occasionally, black smokers emit not particles but threads, veins of glowing fluid twisting like nerve endings across the seafloor. When samples are retrieved, they decay into dust before analysis can begin, leaving only confusion and fear. Ancient legends from maritime cultures describe deep sounds matching modern audio logs, harrowing moans beneath the waves that echo for miles. Could early sailors have heard the same spectral frequencies that haunt today's scientists? Inside submersibles, researchers recount sensations of being watched, even when sensors report no movement. Their lights pierce nothing but water, yet that feeling lingers, an overwhelming awareness that something enormous drifts unseen, just beyond visibility. Magnetic readings near trench ridges fluctuate erratically, disrupting navigation. Instruments spin out of control then settle as if some unseen force momentarily pulled them. It's as though colossal machinery hums below the sediment. Geologists discovered mineral patterns resembling petrified tissue, organic, but massive beyond comprehension. If once alive, these structures would make any known leviathan microscopic in scale. Such thoughts keep them awake at night. When they drilled near a mysterious crater, the entire apparatus shook violently. GPS logs registered no tremor above, yet the subfloor readings oscillated for hours, something shifted beneath, aware of intrusion. Marine biologists isolate genetic samples from abyssal organisms that share no known lineage with surface life. DNA sequences appear scrambled, rearranged, almost self-editing. Evolution shouldn't write code so deliberately, and yet, it does. Deep drones have captured footage of cascading particulate clouds rising upward instead of falling, a reverse current that defies gravity. Some theorize it's a vent exhalation, others suggest it's life inhaling. NASA once quipped that we know more about Mars than the ocean floor. That casual remark hides fear. We avoid exploring because we suspect what we might find could rewrite everything about Earth's stability. Every descent deeper seems to awaken new seismic whispers, faint tremors synchronized across continents. How could the Atlantic pulse in rhythm with the Pacific unless something links them at unimaginable depths? The discovery of methane hydrates, frozen lakes beneath ocean sediments, reveals pockets capable of instant, catastrophic release. A single destabilization could engulf ships or summon rogue waves taller than skyscrapers. Sonar mapping once captured immense circular trenches arranged in near-perfect patterns, like fingerprints pressed into the tectonic plate. Their symmetry defies natural law, suggesting construction, or worse, feeding grounds. The abyss harbors chemical reactions unknown above. Superheated brine pools dissolve anything entering them, metal included, and remain still, motionless, perfectly contained, like liquid mercury guarding secrets. Samples drawn from deep trenches contain microparticles carrying isotopes never recorded on Earth's crust. Could remnants from extraterrestrial impacts have seeded life in ways we barely grasp? Some areas release infrasound frequencies capable of inducing dread, confusion, even fainting in divers. The ocean floor itself seems to hum with psychological intent, a voice from the abyss feeding fear into human minds. Underneath Antarctic shelves lie subglacial lakes sealed for millions of years. When penetrated, pressure equalizations release bubbles of gas smelling of rotten metal, hinting at ecosystems older than mammals. At the Cayman Trough, autonomous vehicles filmed spirals of glowing particles ascending in synchronization, like signals sent skyward. Data corrupted moments after, erasing visual proof. Marine radar sometimes detects massive shadows drifting under cargo liners. They move slower than whales, larger than submarines, and vanish when approached, leaving only distorted sound waves behind. Every discovery reveals patterns implying intelligence, geometry in coral growths, rhythmic pulses, synchronized migrations around trenches. Perhaps the sea floor is not lifeless terrain, but a consciousness spanning thousands of miles. If such collective awareness exists, it could interpret intrusion as infection. The quakes, the magnetic disturbances, the mechanical failures, all may be defense, not accident. Behind closed doors, classified deep-sea missions have been quietly discontinued. Funding stopped, footage sealed, and crews permanently reassigned. What they saw remains whispered only in rumors, never in reports. The deeper we stare into the abyss, the stronger it stares back. Scientists now question if Earth itself, from core to crust, might breathe, its lungs the trenches, its veins the currents, its heart somewhere beneath the ocean's crypt. So, why does the ocean floor terrify scientists? Because it challenges reality itself. In its darkness lie answers to questions humanity may not survive knowing.